Ask an agent one question. One answer. What's the difference between comprehensive and collision coverage? Let's break it down. Collision coverage pays to repair or replace your car if you're in an accident, whether you hit another vehicle, a pole, or a fence. Even if you're at fault, this coverage helps get your car back on the road. Comprehensive coverage protects your car from non-accident related events. That includes things like theft, fire, vandalism, hail damage, falling trees, or hitting an animal. In short, if your car is damaged while you're driving, it's a collision. If damage happens while you're parked or from something out of your control, it's comprehensive. Having both gives you the peace of mind you need, especially if you drive daily or still have a loan on your vehicle. Not sure what coverages make sense for you? Call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935. Visit www.klingerinsuranceGroup.com. Follow us for more quick insurance answers made simple.